excited to share with you the Time of Giving class kit projects. Now, this is a gift from me to you with a qualifying purchase using my current host code. And you can always find my current host code on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. Now, these are 2 Thanksgiving cards and 2 Christmas cards, and they're made with the Time of Giving bundle. So you'll need to purchase that for the class. These are red rubber stamps, and then these are the dies. They are gorgeous. That's kind of what sold me on this bundle, was the dies. Now these can be used for gift cards or tags or regular cards, as you can see. And all seasons are covered. You have Halloween, Christmas, and Thanksgiving. Just a little bit of Halloween, not a lot. And I think it's very versatile, and I think you enjoy this class. Now, the things that you'll need besides the kit, you'll need Wink of Stella brush. Well, that's kind of optional. I did use it here to make the little snowflakes like sparkle, and then I used it on the inside to make this kind of shimmer. Now, this May the Sparkle of the Season Warm Your Heart and Home. It came from our last class kit, Sparkle of the Season, which is the class kit before my Halloween class kit. So if you took the Sparkle of the Season, you'll have the May the Sparkle of the Season Warm Your Heart and Home. I hope that you take all my classes, because I try to pick bundles that are versatile, that you'll use again and again, and not just, use once and put on a shelf. So let's take a look at these cards. We have 2 Thanksgiving cards. This one says Thankful. It has some little wheat here and some the wonderful gems. Now, everything will be pre-cut for you except the things that you cut with the dies that come with the Time of Giving bundle. So I take a lot of the work away from you, and you get to just enjoy crafting. I did forget to show you the inks that you'll need. You'll need soft suede, Sahara sand, and cherry cobbler. And I think I did use early espresso on the front here. I can't remember. So you might want to get early espresso too. I think I used early espresso on the Thankful, and then I used the soft suede on the inside because I wanted the contrast. The early espresso was a darker brown, and it kind of popped, whereas the soft suede kind of just fell into, muted in with the other soft suede that's around there. But those that's still not a lot of ink pads to have to buy, and these are pretty, ones that you'll use pretty regularly. So soft suede, Sahara sand, cherry cobbler, and early espresso. And I'll put this on my website, the things that you need, and I'll also put it in the email that I send out to my customers. So that's the first. This is the second. Beautiful leaves. I think fall is all about leaves. So yeah, so I had to have leaves, and this leaf die makes it really easy. It cuts out like 4 leaves at one time, and so I think I just cut out like 5 different colors of leaves. And of course we have some twine, and then I used a little pumpkin here on the inside, the pumpkin die. So thankful for you. Now that came from the So Thankful for You. I can't really remember for sure where it came from, but I'm sure you can find something else if you don't have that. And then for Christmas, we have this card here where we used the Santa Claus sleigh, reindeer, and beautiful. Cherry Cobbler seems to be the color this year for Christmas. And then we have this Mary, and I'll have to admit I haven't finished the inside yet. But I will have finished it before I do the videos. So there'll be a video. Well, I'll have a live Facebook Live on my VIP Facebook group for each card, and then I will upload that video to YouTube so that those who don't have a Facebook account can make these cards with me. And I think you'll like this. You might not have been all that thrilled with the time of giving at first. You might have thought, well, I don't know. So maybe these cards, like I said, these dies can be used for tags, for Christmas tags, or for gift cards. They're perfect size for decorating gift cards. So the time of giving bundle, if you purchase your $40 retail before shipping and tax using my current host code, which can be found on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com, you will get this kit as a gift from me just for making that purchase. Okay, thank you guys.